This is really, really interesting, which is coming in certain kind of divine unveiling, which is happening. Hello, Capricorn. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely, lovely moonions. This is a monthly reading for August 2020. We will be looking into love and whatever else the spirit has for us. All right, the first card which wanted to flip out on its own is Come Together coming in. Fairies like to be busy, and a group of them is showing you that many hands make light work. Working as a team helps get the job done. So I do see community coming together, teamwork which is coming through. This is also telling you that you are very good with teams, and I feel like more people coming in together and supporting your dreams or whatever it is that you have initiated. There's more support which will be coming in this realm and the other realms as well. So the first card which was there is Wish Wisely. Use your wishes wisely to manifest your heart's desire and take practical steps towards making your dreams come true. Very, very interesting, because we have step one coming in, becoming clear of your vision, and step two it comes through when you start taking action. And with that, when you continue with it, you have more people coming in and joining in together. That is the energy which is coming in. When you have something in your mind that you want to manifest in your life and you start working towards it, the universe itself also starts working into manifesting that for you. Life in itself will be encouraging you to go forward in that direction. That kind of a thing is coming in. Synchronicities will start coming through. Things being placed or handed over at the right time, kind of a energy is coming in. All you have to do is initiate. We have friendship coming through. Fairies and humans alike need friends. Now is the time to seek out those who will support and encourage you on your journey to fulfill your dreams. So this is really, really nice. I feel like, whatever it is that you want to achieve, that kind of a reassurance, support is coming in, which is very, very nice. And it could also be like, this could be a time that if there is any kind of reconciliation with an old friend, with a close friend, which with whom you had a little bit of fallout, I feel like the time that you have taken to be away emotionally, you both have become more clearer of your stances, and where someone may have exaggerated in their reaction, and someone who wants to amend things. This could be romantically true or platonically true or even professionally true. So I do see ego, which will be the ego needs to be released in order for the hearts to be amended, for things to be amended, for the relationship, whichever kind it may be, to be amended, is what I'm seeing over here. And we have asked for help also coming in. Angels are celestial beings who protect everyone, and the fairies say now is the time for you to ask for angelic assistance. So what I see is like there's this advice or guidance which is coming in and telling you to tap into your altered state. The kind of questions that you have, the answer you will find when you are meditating. Clear your mind and focus on that question and try to interact with the ethereal realm, and there will be synchronicities which will be happening, a reassurance, a yes or a no that you want for something to occur a few times, and that will be a confirmation. Or you're thinking about a question, and there's certain things which come in which add up and give you the answer, or simply an intuitive voice, innate knowing which reassures you. That kind of a thing is also coming in. So the universe does, in the 3D realm that we live in, tries to give you a lot of synchronicities, certain things, messages through like what you see, what you hear, and like even feathers, spirit animals, numbers, and in so many other ways. And along with that, also through your subconscious. So the inner voice could be giving you a message even through your dreams, which is coming in from the higher realms. So just be aware of that, is what is coming through. All right, so the next card is Magical Blessings, which is coming in, and apart from that, we have Life Energy also coming through. So if you split this into two people over here, I see like there are abundant opportunities. Also, this chance of making a wish and also being aware of what you're thinking is what you're attracting into your new future. So be careful what you wish for, because it just might all come true, is something which is coming through. So become aware of any kind of negative thought that may be plaguing your mind right now, and avoid taking rash decisions. All right, when the universe is giving you so much power of being able to manifest things into waking reality, take that responsibility and think it rationally. Think things through is also what is coming in. Over here, what I see is that there's a lot of community, family support which someone is experiencing right now, and maybe taking the time to retreat and really reflect on life where they are, amend things, and also tap into their spiritual journey is what I'm seeing over here. There's a lot of life force energy which is coming through with the life energy over here, revitalization which is coming in. Someone who has been overly focused on certain kind of aspects, say career and finances, is now taking a break due to whatever is happening. It just happens to be that they're surrounding themselves with the family and friends, and really taking the time to rest and rejuvenate. That is also what's coming in. And with this much needed break, they are getting a time to reflect on things, acknowledge, and readjust their course of what they see as reality or where they are headed towards. That is what is coming in over here. And with that clarity or readjustment of certain kind, realignment, I see someone who's feeling more reassured of what they want to do, is the energy which is coming in over here. This person is being asked again and again to become aware of their thoughts, and the choices and the steps that they take next will be very, very vital. So I won't say delayed by over analyzing, but keep on taking small actions while you are analyzing as well. That is what is coming through. Is there any kind of clarifier? Thank you. So we have Ace of Mirrors coming in. Wow. So if you're a singleton who has been wishing upon a relationship, there are chances, opportunities which will be coming in, chance encounters. Maybe you are introduced through your friends, and this person may be of a different kind, not your usual type. So just keep an open mind. But yes, chances of new beginnings in love, rekindling of the relationship, of the love, is very much possible. I see an initiation which is being taken in terms of romantic feelings, whether it is in terms of meeting someone for the first time or taking the next step, but or some kind of proposal as well, or as simple as certain kind of sparks which start flying off with someone who has perhaps been a platonic friend for a very long time. That is also a possibility. All right, next card, we have the Moon card coming in. Pisces major arcana coming through. And with this one, it is in a way talking about the emotional side and becoming more psychic, intuitive. So with these two cards coming in together, there is this feeling like, especially if you have met someone for the first time, there could be an instant connection, or you meet them a few times and then you realize that the connection that you both have is something deeper, even if you have met them very recently. That kind of energy is also coming in. And if you meet someone who is a Pisces, they are more than likely to be having really strong emotional feelings for you. That is also what is coming through. We have the World also coming in. So this is a very exciting time for singletons. I can see that, because if you had been in a stuck situation emotionally also, or in a toxic relationship, there is a need to confront that, realize what was stopping you, release yourself from that, taking back control of your life, freeing yourself from toxic situations, habits, and patterns. And I see a world opening up for you, new opportunities coming in, many prospects coming through. That is what I'm seeing over here. So, a really exciting time for those who are single, looking out for a relationship. There are chance encounters, potentials, which are romantic potentials, which are coming through quite strongly. And we have the Queen of Scrolls coming in, which is really interesting because this is someone who's very independent, very ambitious, and may like the same qualities in you. And they can see that, like, you are a leader, you like to delegate things, you like responsibility, you have a clear head, and there's a lot of control in the way that you conduct yourself and the way that you interact with them. They are in awe of your confidence, is what I'm seeing over here. And suddenly there was this thing which came in. If there has been this icebreaker which has already occurred, they may like to know who you really are emotionally, is also what I'm seeing over here. Because they do see you as independent, very ambitious, telepathic in a way as well, quite intriguing. They like your intellect, they really appreciate the intelligence and the confidence that you have, but they also want to see the softer side, or perhaps the vulnerable side, perhaps, I don't know. But that is what is coming in, because with the Moon card there is this intrigue to know you deeper, is what is coming in. And if you are someone who has been away from your emotional side, emotional world, this may be an inclination that before love comes through, it is important for you to step into your emotional world and realize if there is anything that needs to be healed or released, to make space for love, miracle, abundance, intimacy to come your way. That is what is coming in. We start from within and see that getting reflected outwardly as well, is the energy which I'm seeing over here. But a lot of opportunities which will be coming in. So maybe romantically, if you are already in a relationship, even that way, like, trying to spruce things up, doing something fun together, however you can. And apart from that, professionally also, things lining up quite well, quite a few job opportunities that could be coming in with the World card over here, and a lot of support which is coming in. So yes, you could meet someone through your friends, or even meet people who provide you with golden opportunity professionally as well, is what is coming through over here. Quite an exciting time. I feel like things which were slowed down in your life will be picking up pace. That is what is coming through. And we have Pearl coming in, Connect to the Divine coming through, and we have Turquoise coming in, Awaken Your Empathy, which is really interesting because I was just talking about it. An interesting thing for Pisces or Moon, when someone is ruled by the Moon, Pearl is very interesting to wear because Pearl in itself is a very cooling agent. It is also connected with Ma Lakshmi, who is the goddess of prosperity, abundance, good luck, protection as well. A lot of knowledge which will be coming in, and the turquoise, the way it is twirling over here, it just seems like, going into a different realm or diving deeper, certain kind of regression kind of a energy which is coming in, or traveling through your mind, something like that is coming in. And if you see the number, this is 25 and this is 34 over here, and if you put them together, it's like 2 3 4 5. It's in a way talking about things that need to be done, start doing them. And apart from that, with the 2 and 5, this talks about certain kind of balancing which is very much required, harmonizing certain things. So if we are focused completely on one aspect, then this may be telling you that we need to pay equal amount of attention to each and every aspect, so that there's more satisfaction and more harmony before you can imply certain kind of change that you have been thinking about. And with this one, 3 and 4 just talks about for the good news to come in. It may be time to feel inspired to do certain things which bring you a lot of security, reassurance, that kind of a thing is coming in. And there will be certain kind of good news which will be coming in, which will make you very happy, make you feel very content. So it could be certain kind of recognition could be coming in as well, outwardly recognition that could be coming in for the efforts that you've made. All right, really interesting, because the energy of these two is like, don't worry, Let things flow naturally. Whatever comes into your attention that you feel needs to be changed, think about it, see how you feel about it. Let's not do it impulsively. Let's just be sure that we are taking balanced steps and not rushing ourselves into a sudden change that later on we feel quite a bit of vacuum because we didn't analyze it properly. So it's just that, let's not leave any leaf unturned, page unturned. That kind of a thing is coming in. And while any kind of transformation that may be occurring, remember to emotionally balance yourself and calm yourself down is also what is coming through. I also, there's this thing like with the colors which I was talking about and the calmness which came in, especially if you meet someone new. I feel like, let things flow naturally is also what is coming in. Let's not rush into the next step and all that and then get impatient if there's any kind of progress that gets delayed is also something that is coming in. All right, so we have quite a few cards which are over here. Okay, so we have Divine Guardian coming in, protection of the Winged Mother which is coming through. So a lot of reassurance which is coming in over here. There is a lot of protection guidance which is coming in. So don't be afraid to do what you need to do because there's a lot of angelic assistance, protection which is there guiding you as well. We have Portal of Light coming in. She glides on wings through time and space, reminding you that, you can extend your powers, yourself, your connection to the spiritual realm as well as ground yourself, connect with earth. So with this one, there's this star, major arcana star energy which is coming in, which is talking about recognition, realizing that you have a lot of control and that you have the power to transmute any negativity into positivity is also what is coming through to your advantage. We also have High Priestess coming in, mysteries revealed in the eyes of Isis. So with this one over here, I do see certain kind of realizations which are very much required on your behalf or the other person's behalf in order for things to move forward romantically. But apart from that, there's a lot of wisdom which is within you, realizing, for some, realizing your own worth, your own capability, or simply realizing your own inner truth, core values, which are different from the society, and freeing yourself and really realizing how you stepping into the world. This may be a time of really empowering yourself and letting your authentic self be out while also embracing your vulnerability because that is not a weakness but the sign of strength. All right. Fourth one, we have Life Restored coming in. This is coming for Librans and for Leos as well. Priestess of the Phoenix, which is coming in over here. So a lot of priestess energy which is coming in. Reassured, there's a lot of divine feminine energy which is coming in, balanced with divine masculine, with the life restored and this one life energy coming in. You could be feeling quite inspired and a lot of energy in your sacral chakra, and apart from that in your solar plexus chakra as well. So there's a lot of sensual energy which is coming in and a lot of passionate energy to do something, inspiration, creativity which is also coming through. Utilize this spirit of courage which is being instilled in you. This is your time to soar is what is coming in. There is a new chapter which is coming through very, very strongly, and it may resonate in many different things in different realms for different people. But yes, there's certain kind of initiation which is happening. I wanted to see if any one particular card, one of these, has a specific message for you, and High Priestess is the one which opened up. Be willing to wait for the full reveal, but also recognize what is happening at this time. You will be gaining valuable insight into where you are being led and for what purpose. It is an exciting moment in your unfoldment. Have reverence and an open heart and mind, and wait patiently for the grand revelation that is on its way. This is really, really interesting, which is coming in certain kind of divine unveiling, which is happening. So I feel like even if you are experiencing certain kind of delay, trust me when I say this, there's certain kind of divine timing which is out there happening. The kind of pause that you may have experienced, which may have made you a little impulsive or impatient, or made you a little feel a little hopeless about certain thing, it will be getting a push, or you will be realizing why that delay had happened, or why certain things you had to experience certain thing, whether good or mostly something negative that impressioned you for a very long time, and something difficult that you had to overcome. If you have been questioning why that happened, you will soon start seeing why it was required, because there's certain kind of vacation which was very much required, vacating or making space in your life for something more grander to come through. That is what is coming in right now. All right, now lastly, let's see what's coming in. Is there any kind of thank you before I could say anything? At the bottom, we have Eight of Cups coming in and Ace of Cups again coming through. So yes, there's certain things that we have to learn, certain kind of karmic relationship which needs to come to an end for a true, how do I say it, for a soul journey to begin, for your soulmate to come through. This, when you change the way you love yourself, you change who you attract in your life. Someone more deserving will be coming into your life. A new chapter in romance is coming through quite strongly over here. Someone new may be coming through. And we have Eight of Wheels coming in. So the hardship that I was talking about could be like, someone over here may be feeling or experiencing certain kind of financial constraint, or certain kind of job that they lost, and there's a lot of agony or anxiety about the next one which will be coming in. This is in a way talking about, don't stress about your finances or the job, because whatever the past, this is a very specific one which is coming in, so I'll just say it. The previous job that you had, it had done its karmic work in your life, and since you weren't the one wanting to let go of the job because of the sense of security it brought in, and you prolonged it for a very long time, the universe induced certain things to happen so that there could be certain kind of space made for a new one to come in, because a new opportunity will be coming in. So it has been romantically and professionally also, which could be coming in. But yeah, this one is saying, don't get worried. Something better will be coming in for sure. Maybe it'll take a few months more, but I do see that, the moment you start putting in effort into not stressing but doing something productive about it, you'll start seeing more opportunities falling into your lap, is what I'm seeing over here. Very, very significantly. Quite significantly coming in, like stopping to worry about things, stopping to have those longings for things, making best of the opportunities that you have. Like, even if you don't have a job at the moment, utilizing this more productively into looking at where you are, what are your current situations, becoming aware of that. Is there any kind of emotional clearing which is required, or simply doing something which brings you a lot of happiness, pursuing your old hobby that you were very passionate about, and then realizing maybe I can come out with some endeavor with this which will be very fruitful for me. And in it's just a channel thing which is coming in, so I just had to say it, there are many opportunities. You are as stuck as you believe yourself to be stuck. The moment you start navigating through any kind of challenge, when you put that energy into your life, life in itself starts supporting you, encouraging you, and brings you more synchronistic situations which will help you advance forward. Utilize this life energy, your creativity, your potential, your capabilities into something more productive, more fruitful, to go towards that prosperous life. Whatever it is that you're experiencing right now is only there to equip you with a lesson learned, a certain kind of experience which is very much required, sometimes to even know when to avoid a situation because something in the past similar thing had happened, and you know how mostly it goes on to be. And if it was something which is not really in your benefit, you will let go of it when that thing, that red flag comes through. That is also what is coming in, but know that there's divine timing which is happening, and soon you'll realize why certain things had to happen the way they did. And with the new opportunities coming in, you'll be glad that life made space for these miracles to enter your life. That is what I'm seeing over here. There's like hidden blessings which are there, and slowly and steadily destiny will start revealing itself, is what I'm seeing over here. So do let me know if this resonated with you, and thank you so much for being part of the Moonian family. If you aren't already, then please do subscribe, comment below, share it with your loved ones, and hit the like. Until next time, love, light, healing, empowerment, and a lot of abundant opportunities to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Moon.